everyone, how you doing? So we're down Wroxham Boatyard today. Got the float rod out and I'm actually on a stick float today, which I'll show you in a little while. And I've got a ledger out and that's bouncing away already, which is cool. I've already had a half decent roach and a couple of rudd and I've only been here 10 minutes, so well, I've only been fishing 10 minutes. So all good. So let's see what we can catch. So I'll show you what I'm up to, which is unusual for me. Tiny little 18 hook with a maggot. Shot pattern. Like so. Up to a stick float. It's a Peter Drennan float, as you can see. And let's see how we get on with it. It's not a normal thing that I normally do, but I thought I'd give it a go today. I like learning new stuff. And see if we can catch some fish. Already catching, so that's good. There we go. Little bream for a little while. Let's get it in the net. So another fish on, everyone. Mr. Perch. So we're getting a few. Put a load more rudd in the net and a couple of other roach. And I'll just keep popping in and out and showing you a few fish. Just giving you a few updates on what I'm up to during the day. So, Mr. Bream. Lovely jubbly. Nice to get a bit bigger fish, especially at the boatyard. See, we've been joined by a couple of pike anglers doing a bit of spinning after pike and perch. Here you go, everyone. Another bream. Lovely jubbly. And I've just pulled in a rudd. No, yeah, rudd. Got loads in the net. Must have 15 fish in the net now, so it's not bad. Yep, looking alright. Cheers. There, everyone, we've actually got ourselves a nice big bream, as you can see. Lovely fish. Mr. Perch, everybody, and he's got his fin up. Look at that. Lovely. Everyone, another bream, Mr. Bream. It's going to be my bream day today, I think. Nice big roach, look at that. Look. Lovely jubbly. Here you go, Mr. Bream. So everyone, there you go. Lovely jubbly. And another breamy, or a skimmy. Lovely jubbly. Getting a net full now, I better pull a net in soon. Another skimmer. Lovely jubbly. So as you can see, everyone, I've got a ledger set up on the end of there. I'm using that as a rod rest. And I'm ledgering over there in between them boats, or sort of in front of them boats over there, which is nice. Mr. Roach, everybody. Mr. Roach. Mr. Bream. There he is. Not bad, not bad. I've got, since I last come on the camera, I probably had another 30 fish, but they've all been like little roach and perch and stuff like that. A few have been nice, a few have been medium sized, stuff like that. It's nice to get a fair few bream. I'm in double figures with the bream now, I think. So I'm getting a few. Here's the Mr. Perch. Still getting plenty of fish. Time is getting towards afternoon now. We're still getting plenty. It's getting a bit windy. But we've got a nice weight in the net. Must have a good 50 plus fish. So let's keep doing it. Mr. Golden Rudd. It's a bit rough, he's had a hard life. But it's another fish. All good. So let's carry on and catch a few more. Go. Mr. Big Rudd. Lovely red fins, lovely gold body. Awesome. Getting plenty of bites. So when fishing this area now, the Wroxham boatyards, you have to make sure you get permission of the owners of where you're going to sit. Some are very nice and don't mind at all, and others don't want you there whatsoever. There's a few signs up as well. Mr. Roach, way! Cool. Mr. Flipper. Thank you. Not too bad, is it? Mr. Perch, not a bad size. With the old fin up, lovely. It's getting a bit dull on that now, so I'm hoping the bigger bream are going to move in again. And in the net he's going to... in the net he goes. I'm not sure what we got on the net now, but we should be getting a pretty good weight. Float's going under most casts. Ledge rod's gone a bit quiet, but I've got big bunches of worms on, and we're seeing what we can do around the edges of the boats. So on the left over there in the blue, that's a newbie. He came over and said hello and said, nice to meet you, mate. He's doing a bit of pike fishing. So we're still pulling in some perch, everyone. Not bad size, is it? Got a few of them in the net now. Oh, look at that, fin up as well, even better. Lovely. Well, we're gone and done it, everyone. There he is. Lovely jubbly. Let's do it this time, shall we? We've been quiet all day, haven't we? That's what you call a perch. Spin this one round and have a look on the other side as well, shall we? Nice clean fish. Wee. I'm trying to jump out my hands, fishy. Lovely jubbly. Alright, let's get it in the net and see what else we've got before it gets dark. It's starting to get a bit dark now. Still getting bites on the float. Casting around big bunches of worms and after the perch, and I've got one. How did I miss that, eh? The rod was bending round as you saw. Mr. Skimmer. Oh, come off right in front. Mr. Bream. Perch.